Welcome to Beautyistic, everyone. Today we're diving into a product that promises to give you a sophisticated, elegant look with minimal effort. We're talking about the Raquel Welch Big Spender shoulder-length Pageboy wig, which features those iconic, beautifully tumbled waves. Whether you're new to wigs or looking to elevate your wig game, this review is for you. So let's break it down. First, this wig comes in the stunning shade RL3129, also known as Fiery Copper. It's got a natural, warm, and fiery red hue, perfect for anyone wanting to add a pop of color to their hair without the commitment. The color is vibrant but versatile enough to be worn day to day. In terms of design, the Big Spender wig offers a shoulder-length Pageboy cut with soft, voluminous waves. It's ideal for anyone seeking a chic yet relaxed look. The main features include a monofilament top, a sheer lace front, and the signature Memory Cap 3, which ensures comfort and security. The length varies slightly, with the front measuring 10 inches, crown at 11 inches, and the back at 10.5 inches, so you get a great balance of fullness and natural movement. One of the standout aspects of this wig is the true-to-life, heat-friendly synthetic hair. This means you can curl, straighten, or blow-dry the wig to your heart's content. If you're a fan of versatility, this is a big win. You get all the styling freedom of human hair, but with none of the hassle. Plus, it's super easy to maintain, which is a huge benefit if you're new to wearing wigs or just want a low-maintenance, high-quality option. I've had the chance to wear this wig for a couple of weeks now, and I've really enjoyed how natural it feels. The memory cap fits comfortably and securely without feeling tight, and the sheer lace front creates a seamless, undetectable hairline. The waves are effortless, providing just enough volume for that done but not overdone look. I've worn it to work, on a date, and even for a casual outing, and it's held up beautifully in all environments. As for the cons, I will say that the style, while gorgeous, may not be ideal for those who prefer a sleeker or more understated look. This wig has a lot of personality, voluminous waves that definitely make a statement. If you're someone who leans toward a more subtle vibe, this might not be your first pick. Also, while the heat-friendly hair is a fantastic feature, it's worth noting that excessive heat could affect the texture over time. So just be cautious with how you style it. Now, let's talk about value. The price of this wig might be on the higher end, but the quality is undeniable. The materials, from the true-to-life hair to the Memory Cap 3, are built to last and feel premium. If you're someone who wears wigs regularly, the durability, comfort, and styling options make this a great investment. But if you're just starting to experiment with wigs or don't plan on wearing it every day, you might want to explore more budget-friendly options. Speaking of alternatives, if you're looking for something a little more affordable, there are options from brands like John Renow or Aven that also offer synthetic wigs with heat-friendly properties, though they may not provide the same level of customization or comfort. However, if you want a high-end wig with top-tier construction and styling flexibility, the Raquel Welch Big Spender is hard to beat. Overall, this is a top-notch wig that combines style, comfort, and versatility. If you love a voluminous, wave-filled look and want a product that's easy to maintain, I think this one is a winner. It's well-suited for those looking for a statement style that still feels polished. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.